Hello, good afternoon here from sunny Lincolnshire. Swarming season is upon us, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you some of our swarm lures that we sell. This particular one is from America. It's called Swarm Commander. It was developed by a veteran actually from America who has 18 years in the synthetic pheromone business. So this one, you need to spray a couple of it underneath the crown board in a bait hive, and then maybe a couple of sprays on the entrance, and then spray it again every 2 to 3 weeks, or until hopefully you get a swarm arrive. So I'm going to show you now how to set this and put it into a bait hive. Okay, so here we have the Swarm Commander spray. Again, I've got some really old kit here. They seem to like old hives for some reason. So a couple of sprays on the bottom of the crown board. Put that back together. And this is a artificial pheromone. And then just a couple of sprays at the entrance as well. And you can come back and do that 2 to 3 times every 2 to 3 weeks.